Today, let's explore the process of adding color to an existing line art using the IbispaintX app. We'll also enhance our illustration by incorporating highlights and shadows. So let's get started. Firstly, open our existing line art. Add a new layer and rename it to base color. Remember, this layer should be positioned below the line art layer. On the toolbar, tap the bucket icon. Now, select a color for the skin of our character. I'll be using this color. Next, tap the areas, especially the skin, where you want to apply the color. Moving on to the hair, I'll be using black for the base color. Apply colors to the clothes of the character as well. That's it. We're done with the base color. Now, let's move on to adding shadows. Add a new layer above the base color layer and rename it as shadows. On the toolbox, tap the Magic Wand tool. Begin by selecting the skin areas. You'll notice the area is selected if there are running ants around it. Now, use the eyedropper tool. Tap the skin area to capture the color used. Adjust the color to a darker shade. Using the brush tool, draw the areas where shadows should be present, such as below the nose, above the chin, ears, below the face, below the eyebrows, below the hair, and also apply on the arms and neck. Use the bucket tool to fill the selected area with color. Once you're done, remove the selection area. Check the layer and adjust the opacity based on your preference for the shadow intensity. Next, apply shadows to the clothing of the character, following the same steps as we did for the skin areas. Now that we're done with the shadows, let's move on to adding highlights. The procedure is similar to applying shadows, but this time, we'll use lighter colors. Start with a new layer above the shadows layer and rename it as highlights. Use the Magic Wand tool to select an area. Eyedropper tool to capture the base color, and then modify it to a lighter color. Draw the highlights using the brush tool. Don't forget to apply highlights to the clothing and hair of your character. Finally, let's save our output in PNG format. That's it. Here is the final output. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.